All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all something about the Blackstone. I'm gonna show you how to clean it. I know you know how to cook, you've been watching me, but I'm gonna show you how to clean it the right way. So y'all come on over here. It ain't much to it, but you just gotta make these few steps to make it right. Hey y'all, I'm about to show y'all something. About to show y'all how to clean one of these. Number one thing you need to do first, right off the bat, you see all this nasty gunky stuff? Turn your griddle on high. Let it rock, let it get the hot. And then we're gonna scrape it. Watch this, y'all. Scrape all this on one side. Look at that. Ooh! Gotta get it off of here, y'all. And y'all wondering what all this is? It's just sugar. When you get sugar hot like this, it'll turn black and gets burnt, and it's nasty, sticky. But hey, let me show y'all what you do. Water. Watch this, y'all. See all the stuff coming off of there? Now it come up, let it dry some. But what it does, it'll pull all this stuff off the griddle. See the little brown spots? That's stuff you want to get off of here. We do that several times. Don't get too close with your bottle like this, the steam will come up, burn your fingers. But just keep doing it like that. Put the lid on it, get some of them paper towels. Watch this, y'all. Fold them like this, put them on here. Here we go. Look at there. Looks like I've done this before, huh? Woo. Y'all see how easy that was? We're not quite through yet. Now watch what I do here. Notice this thing is still on, still hot. That's all you need. One little dab like that. I'll go like almost a circle. Uh-oh, we don't need all that. It's all in the way anyway. We're gonna take this one paper towel, fold it up like this, get your scraper, and look, this is all you want, a thin coat. You don't need a lot. We like to clean it, steam it, and make it shiny. All right, y'all, just like that, cut them burners off. You ready to cook tomorrow.